Winnie the Pooh loves honey but forgets Coca-Cola hasn't been called in 6 months. That's your stale account problem. Old leads vanish, opportunities die, reps move on too fast, AI keeps accounts warm, Outreach.io, Gong AI, Salesforce reminders, nudge reps automatically, follow up or lose it. One ping can revive millions in pipeline. Imagine Netflix never reminding you to renew. Gone. Sales is the same. Question: which of your accounts has been ghosted for months? AI makes sure none get lost. Want reminders baked in? Build them free with moksy.ai. It's easy to use, no coding skills needed, and it's totally free. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now, because Pooh should forget honey, not revenue.